everyone, it's Keith with the Tulsa Moto Club. Sorry I've been away for so long. So some of you are probably wondering where I've been and why I haven't made a video in so long. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I've been riding the KZ as much as I can. Now since I finished the KZ and have been riding it a while, there's a lot of things that I've noticed that I'm not too happy with and I'd like to change. But like I said in a previous video, I'm going to wait till the riding season's over to get a lot of those things done. However, there are a few smaller things that I can get done today. One of which is I got a set of Allen bolts I'd like to get put onto the bike. I think they're really going to clean up the look and make it look really nice. There's also some engine oil leaks that I have that I've kind of noticed out of the seams. They need some gaskets replaced. Unfortunately, I won't get to those today, but the gaskets are in the mail. Before I get started on the KZ though, let me get you caught up to date with the SR. So the situation with the SR is pretty simple. For the most part, I've really just been sitting around waiting on parts to show up in the mail, and thankfully a lot of those parts are in. Most importantly of those things are all the pieces I need to modify the frame the way that I want. Now for the SR build, I'm going for more of a cafe racer look, and I want that nice straight line between the gas tank and the seat. So I bought a cafe racer hoop, some other metal tubing, and some new shock mounts that I'm going to need to modify the frame the way that I'd like. And here in the next couple days I'm going to get with my buddy Alex again, who's teaching me to weld, and we're going to get that all put together. From then on out, it should be pretty smooth sailing. But I also got some other parts in that I'm going to put on the bike as well. Let me show you those real quick. Now we did get some basic pieces. We got a new chain. We also got a set of Allen bolts like we got for the KZ. Clip-on bars, as well as some new shocks. Now all that stuff's fun and looks cool, but it can't go on until the frame is modified. So I'm going to get that taken care of in the next few days with my buddy Alex, like I said, and I'll be sure to make a video for that when it happens. So I got a little caught up before I can put the screws onto the KZ, and it's the next day now, but that's all I've got left to do, so let's go ahead and get that done. Alright everybody, I know it's been a short video, but I'm going to go ahead and end it here. If you can't tell by the time of day that it is outside, or the fact that my shirt has changed 2 or 3 times throughout this video, it's taken me a while to get this one done. It seems like every time I get started doing something to the bike, I get called away to something. I'd either have to go back into work, or my camera battery would die, or something like that. Either way, the job is done, the bolts are on, and we're all set and good to go, and they look fucking great. I also found time this weekend to get the framework done on the SR with the help of my friend Alex. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because that'll be the next video I put out and you won't want to miss it. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll throw a couple other videos I think you might like too. And as always, thanks for watching. Later.